sponsored by aloe vera. Sorry, aloe vera. Fresh. Now, before saying anything, I want you to know that the video has been speeded to some extent. So, I'm just putting it out there just in case you feel that I was being very rough. No, dear, I was very gentle on her face. With that said, let's begin. Talking about aloe vera, its application is very basic. I just used circular motions to apply aloe vera all over her face, and then I would follow it up with a 2 to 3 minutes of facial massage. I swear by facial massages and face yoga, guys. They have absolutely amazing results. I think I might do a dedicated video on facial yoga or face massages as well. Let me know what do you think. And as you can see, she was enjoying this process so much. It is so relaxing, guys. If not aloe vera, just try out some basic facial exercises and you'll feel great in like just 2 minutes. Silly me, I realized that I don't have the before close-up shot of her face, so I took it on day 2.
I mean, it's okay, right? Aloe vera doesn't work in one day.
So, as you can see, she has some darkness around the eye area, then there are some dark spots on her cheeks as well, and there is pigmentation around the mouth and some little spots on the forehead as well. There are so many factors behind skin problems, guys. My mother has thyroid problems, plus aging itself is a big one. She is in her late.
Also, she has me as her daughter, and it's not easy to handle a moody, foodie, and sometimes Rudy girl. So, all the stress that I cause is also responsible.
But now that I'm a little more mature, I want her to relax a bit, and hence this challenge. So we started seeing results on day 3 itself. Her face was way more glowing than before, especially around the forehead and the cheeks area in particular. Aloe vera can be used as a leave-in thing as well. You can, just apply it and let it be there for howsoever long. Though my mother would just wash it off after like half an hour or so, and it still worked. So you can decide for yourself.
And I personally like to use it as a bedtime cream so that I would glow the next morning.
And that's exactly what we did on day 4. It was raining very heavily at my place, so neither did we go to our terrace, which we would do otherwise, nor did we remember about this aloe vera thing until it was sleeping time. So she let the aloe vera sit this time for the whole night, but I didn't record it. So I was basically bored of the plain aloe vera thing and I wanted to use something else this time. So I just cut half a lemon and a pinch of turmeric and added all the 3 ingredients to form a paste. The 3: aloe vera, turmeric and lemon juice.
I regret the decision as always.
So the paste was not actually a paste and it wasn't very easy to apply it, especially if you're someone who
doesn't even own a makeup brush to apply things like this.
And my mom was actually telling me why I should not make 100% use of my brain.
Lol.
No, but seriously, this mask was good too, just that it was very messy to apply. And also, before applying lemon and even turmeric, you should always do a patch test. So, moving on to day.
Mm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I messed up some things in the kitchen, so she wasn't very happy that day. Also, my lame jokes were not working, so I could not make her smile.
I'm sorry for breaking the crockery, said Mummy.
But yeah, look at her skin. There has been quite a difference actually. Dude, the best part was her forehead. It was shining like anything. And these clips were taken with the flashlight on because it was getting really dark. But I hope you can spot a difference in her skin very clearly. I mean, the forehead area was the most glowing, then came her cheeks. Now, if you just focus on the dark circles area, you can clearly see a difference. The outer portion has started to
Clear out.
Now, I have seen a lot of videos which claim that aloe vera can clear your skin in just one use.
In just one use?
No, guys, that doesn't work like that. I was not expecting crazy results like dark circles gone in 7 days or something. But this did make a big difference on her face, and it has really proved great for the skin's general texture. It has improved a lot, and not just the skin, it's about a person's confidence, right? She has started feeling happy about herself, and that's what makes me happy actually.
I hope that I'll be able to convince her to continue applying this on her face for at least a month or so.
Now, the results can be very subjective. Something works for one person and might not work for the other person. But before trying and testing out anything on your face particularly, please do a patch test, guys. I have ruined my skin personally so many times by just watching these beauty recipes and stuff. And even though aloe vera is natural, I would still recommend that you at least do a patch test the night before so that you can be very sure. And also, talking about aloe vera, guys, when you cut fresh aloe vera leaf now, you have to keep it there for some time for the yellow part. That yellow part is not good for your skin, so you have to separate it. So cut the aloe vera piece, then let it sit for some time, and then just cut the yellowish part and use it for anything. And I don't think I need to remind you about the facial massage benefits. You can yourself try it out and feel the change on your face. Now, you guys can clearly see, even in flashlight, my mom's face is glowing so much, guys. I mean, she was so happy watching this video. Her forehead has almost cleared up of any scars or marks. Her dark circles have reduced significantly. There is some difference in the cheek scars as well, those marks that she had earlier. But also, there is no change in lip color whatsoever. So, just to let you guys know. So I hope the video was helpful for you guys. All in all, I would say you must try this challenge. After this challenge, her skin has become a lot more plump. I would not say that aloe vera has completely changed her skin and all her spots are gone. Of course not. But it has really helped her to get that glowing skin. All in all, this challenge was good. Do let me know if you guys want me to take another challenge like this. I think I might do some kind of hair transformation on my mom soon. I don't know if she'll allow me or not. But till then, take care, guys. Bye bye.